Today, we'll talk about trust. Hi, my name is Andreas Welch, and this is the Intelligence Briefing. Have you ever been in this situation where you have a new colleague join the team and they're full of ideas how to do things better, quicker, and maybe even cheaper? And this voice inside your head says, but we've always done it this way and it has worked just fine. Or they change so many things you're struggling to follow their system. More and more, this new colleague could actually be an AI-based system that gives you recommendations or that automates complex, repetitive tasks for you. But just like your new colleague Joe, it'll take some time before you trust your AI-based companion. So, why is trust so important? Despite a lot of advances in the AI space, much of how a model has come to a particular prediction still remains a black box, and that can be a challenge. Especially in a business environment, your end users might have several years of experience in their domain. So introducing an AI-based system that does the job maybe a little bit better, quicker, and cheaper might be an issue, especially if you're struggling to explain how the system has come to its prediction, and that might put your implementation at risk. Based on my personal experience from customer projects, building trust with end users from the very beginning is a key factor for success. For example, build in reviews and spot checks in a hypercare phase, and be transparent with your end users that the system will likely not be perfect on day one, but it does improve over time. And when you design an AI-based feature, it's important you speak the language of your end user. For example, why and how this prediction has been made, rather than giving a mathematical expression or confidence value that really won't have the same meaning to a business user as it does to the data scientist. So, for example, SAP has published design guidelines for intelligent systems that help developers and designers create these kinds of levels of trust. So check out the details in the comments below, and I'll dive into it some more in one of the upcoming episodes. Alright, there are 3 things I'd like to leave you with. First, get your business users involved from the very beginning and secure their buy-in and keep them involved to build their trust level. Second, check out the SAP Fiori design guidelines for intelligent systems for examples how you can design intelligent applications. And third, connect if you'd like to start your transformation to intelligent processes and are looking for the best way to do so. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. If you have any questions or suggestions for upcoming topics, please leave a comment.